Namaste everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. In this one, I'm going to show you the web application that has been created on Django. Right. So what happens in this application is you can upload any type of file and you can also download those files you have uploaded. Besides that, if suppose there are number of users on your web application and there are 3 people or 4 people, let's say, who upload something on the web application, then the other users can access those things, can access those static files. They can see them and they can also download those static files. So basically it's a storage system which has been designed on Django. Now, how a person can create his account on the interface, how he can log in and then he can, download the static files uploaded by the different users. He can download the uploaded files he has uploaded on the system. So that is what I'm going to brief you about. That is what I'm going to show you. But before that, let me just show you the interface first, right? And then we will move to that sign up and login part, and how to download the files. We will check that out. So you can see here when the user first access the application, he gets redirected to the home page of the app, right? And this is how the home page looks like. So the file which I have recently uploaded, the post which I have recently created on the web application is getting visible right on the top. Okay. And pagination option is also available at the bottom. So a particular person can see only 2 uploads on one page, right? If you want, you can change the numbers also. So on page number 4 also you can see we have some data. On page number 5 also we have some data. Likewise, if a user has to come back on the first page, he can simply click first and that is going to redirect him to the home page. Let's now create an account on the web application. So for that I have to click here on sign up, and let me tell you, you don't have to worry about the code of the application. I will paste the link in the description section. You can just click that link and you will get the code in the form of a you will get redirected to a GitHub repo from where you can download the code of the application. So let me just take a random name. So this is the one which I'm taking right now, and let me enter a random email address here, and here I have to enter a random password. So make sure that whatever password you enter, it should follow these parameters which are mentioned over here, right? I hope you guys know about the sign up form, which sign up form feature which comes by default with Django. Similarly, we have login feature also, login model also, which comes by default. So if you don't know about it, you can check the details on YouTube, or you can visit some YouTube videos that can give you a good idea about how I have created these things. Or else you can start taking classes from me. You can join my coding classes, right? And definitely you're going to take away many things from those coding classes. So let me just give a random password to the username. Okay, so I need to make sure that the password which I am typing here should match with the one with the password confirmation. Let's sign up. So I have successfully created an account on the web application, and as you can see, a notification is also getting reflected right below the navigation bar. Right, sorry, not the navigation bar but the header. Okay, so here I have to type the username, and then I need to enter the password which I typed in while creating the account. So I'm successfully logged in into the web application, and you can see the username is getting reflected here. So if you click the username, it will redirect you to a page where it will show you the profile of the user. Suppose I have to change the pic over here, right? So I can do that too. Choose file, and it will redirect me to it will open for me the dialog window and let's just search for a nice image. I think I have it in Power BI. No, I don't have it here. Just give me a short moment. I think did I did have my image. So I do have my image on my device, but I need to just search for it. Okay, let me just do one thing. Let me download it from the internet. So images, and this is me. Save image as, and I'm going to save it on my desktop, right? So Gaurav. Okay, so successfully downloaded an image from Google, and let's just select it and upload it here. Okay, update, and I successfully updated the image. Likewise, you can update the other details also. Okay, so let's come on my post, and here as you can see I haven't posted anything yet. Okay, and if I click here on home, it has redirected me to the home page, and then I can search for the relevant data. uh, if I have to download the things which Mahesh has uploaded, if I have to download the mp3 file uploaded by Mahesh, I need to click here on the download button, and you can see here uh, this mp3 file has been downloaded. Okay, and where is it getting saved? Once you upload the data on this web application, it go and get saved here in a folder called media, right? If you know about Django, you must be knowing about how I have set this media as a default folder, so that the everything whatever the user uploads or any user uploads on the application, it comes and gets saved over here. So you can see here some PDF files or some PDF files are also there. The images files are also present here. Some video files are also present here, right? Likewise, you can upload any type of file. Okay, so there is no restriction. And let me come on new post and see if I can upload something or not. So here I'm going to put a name. Let me put my own name for now, Gaurav's video. Okay, and here I'm going to write a video shooted for YouTube, and let's just search for that video. So I think I have some videos here on my in my videos folder. Okay, so I have selected a file. Let's see whether I can upload it or not. So the processing is happening. Maybe the upload is going on right now. Okay, so I think I've
If you
successfully
haven't
uploaded the file, and
configured,
as you can see,
this,
I'm
if you
able
haven't
to
configured
play.
IP
I'm able to
properly
see
or
it playing here
directly, so
on
if you
the
haven't
same web application. So
configured the
that's the
advanced server
magic,
properly,
which I wanted to show
definitely
you.
you will not be able to
Okay, so
get
that's great.
success on.
Anything you upload on this application, you get to see it on this very same application. You don't have to download it first, and then you can, if you have to watch it, you can simply watch it here on the application itself. Let's go back on home and see what is the update over there. So yes, the ones which I just uploaded, the post which I just created, it's getting visible to me right on the top over here. Now let me just log out and see if I can still see the same thing which I just showed you guys or not. So coming back on the home page, and as you can see, there is no user. I'm not logged in into the application yet. I'm able to see the post which I just created. Can I just download the video? uh, Even if I'm not the member of the web application, can I download the video or not? Okay, I'm able to download it still, right? So that's the benefit of the web application. Basically what happens is, if you upload something here, it gets publicly accessible, so anyone can download it, anyone can but for uploading the things, you'll have to be a member of the you'll have to create a uh, profile of yours on this application, then only you can upload something on it, right? So that's how the application works, and this is the entire code which has been written in Python. Some CSS and HTML things are also being used here. So I will be sharing this code with you in the chat box of the meeting. You will get a link as I've told you. Just visit the link, download the code, and check the application on your respective device. Now let me tell you, we have, just a second, let me just close all these folders here, because I have to just guide you about how can you, you know, make this application perfectly working on your device. So once you're done with downloading the application, you can open it on in Visual Code. Now you need to have Django installed on your device. That's the first requirement. Second requirement is that in case you come across issues like, it shows you there are libraries which are not installed on your device. So what you can do, you can create a requirements.txt file first. Okay, if you don't know how to create a requirement.txt file, let me tell you it. There is a command called pip freeze, right? So you can explore, you can search it on internet, and you can fire it in Visual Code. Once you are done with it, a requirement.txt file will get created here. Then you can, in that requirement.txt file, all the packages that have been used in the web application will come, and then you can fire a command which will pick up the libraries from that requirements.txt and will install it automatically on your device. I hope you guys know about the criteria. If no, if it is new to you, if it is something, the things which I've told you just now, if it is new to you, if they are new to you, you can explore it further on the internet. And if you want some help, you can definitely contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens. I'll be providing my number in the description section also. And make sure that if you want to make career in this field of web application development, or if you want to make career in the coding industry, definitely there are people like me who are ready to help you guys. And I have a lot of experience. I provide coding classes to professionals also. I provide coding classes to the students as well. So if you want, you can get in touch with me. You already have my number with you, right? And if you want to explore things on YouTube itself, you want to learn from YouTube videos only, definitely you can do that too, because I learned everything from YouTube. Till the day, whatever I know, I'm working as a senior full stack developer in a company, right? And whatever I know today, it's because of the things I have seen on YouTube. I have learned everything from Google. There are some books also which I refer to, right, for learning all the in and outs of web application development, then AI, then computer vision, everything that can be done with the help of coding. I think today I can tell you about it because I've explored, I've touched each and every field. So basically, I'm a jack of all and master of two to three trades, you can see. Right. So this is it from my side in the lecture. Thank you very much, guys, for loving my channel and for showing interest in my videos. Keep sharing the videos in your groups so that more and more people can come and join my channel. And very soon I will be putting some interview videos also on my channel, so that you can get a taste of what actually happens in interview. If you are giving an interview for a Python programmer job or a Python programmer profile, what kind of questions will be asked to you by the interviewer? If you are giving interview for a cloud computing position, right, which requires the knowledge of cloud computing, what kind of questions will be asked by the interviewer? So that is what I'm going to give you the information of. You can check those videos of interviews which I will be posting very soon on my channel, because I keep giving interviews in different companies, so as to gain knowledge what is actually happening in the market, what is the technology which is going on in the market, which is in demand in the market. So keep following my channel, keep loving my channel, keep showing interest on to my videos, and keep sharing my videos. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day ahead.